I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake cheese at home. Gather whole milk, heavy cream, lemon juice, and cheesecloth. Heat milk and cream slowly until simmering, stir in acid to form curds, then rest 5 to 10 minutes. Drain the curds in a lined sieve, squeeze gently, and chill overnight for firmer consistency. Use immediately in cheesecake batter or store chilled for up to 5 days. Warm the milk and cream slowly while stirring to prevent scorching and to encourage even curd formation. When tiny bubbles appear, remove from heat and stir in lemon juice or vinegar in a steady stream while folding gently. Curds separate quickly, so wait 5 to 10 minutes to let them firm. This gentle approach yields delicate curds that drain cleanly and produce a silky cheesecake cheese texture. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more kitchen guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you bake, and it fits cup holders, which makes cleanup and breaks easier. It's handy during long cheesecake rests and makes kitchen time more comfortable. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place a double layer of cheesecloth over a sieve and pour curds in to drain gradually without rushing the process. Let whey drip for at least 1 hour at room temperature, then chill and press lightly to reach desired firmness. For a denser texture, twist and hang the cloth or apply gentle weight for an hour. The result is creamy, spreadable cheesecake cheese ready for sweet or savory recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.